Hello guys, welcome back to Tech with Sabir. And today in this video, I am gonna teach you how to create these types of style. So you can easily create these types of style. You can see here how many designs are there. So here you can create triangle, trapezoid, parallelogram, hexagon, pentagon. You can create anything from here by writing only 2 lines of code. So let me show you. So here this is our code. You can see I have only created one div here in our HTML, and in our CSS I gave the height, width and background color. Let me show you. Open with live server. You can see here is our div. So let's design this div. Let me open one website. So here we will write CSS clip path. So on this website we have to click here. You can see there are lots of design given. We can take any one. So let's take this heptagon, and by clicking you can see here they have gave the code, so you just need to copy this code. And let's go back to our code. In our CSS file we have to paste here, and let's check now. You can see our div is converted into heptagon. So again, if you want to make it star, then click here and let's copy this. And again in our CSS we will remove this and we will paste that code, and let's check it. You can see here is our div, and now it's converted into a star. So similarly you can check it one by one. There are many designs given. So you can add the background also. So let me show you. If I want to, let's take this rabbit and I will copy this code, and let's comment out this and we will paste here rabbit code. So now, so you can see our div is converted into rabbit. So here we will, remove this background color. We will give here an image. So let me open one website on flash.com. So from here we will pick one image. Let's take this, and here at the place of background color we will give here background image URL. We will paste here. We will give some property like object fit cover, and another one property that is object position center. So now let's check. Now you can see our background image is applied to our div. So similarly you can take any design from there. In a short period of time you can design anything from here. So let's take this and we just need to copy this code. This is our polygon, so let's check it. You can see our design is changed.